Alright, so right now I'm using the Power Airfryer Pro Elite. I got some chicken on that level right there prepped up. And I got some more chicken right here prepped up. So what I did is I put the aluminum foil on the tray. Grab some olive oil real quick. Sprinkle a couple of dabs on top of the chicken. You know what I'm saying? Then I go ahead, I use this lemon pepper. Go ahead, sprinkle some on there real quick. Then I grab my Red Bull, cause you know I gotta make sure that I know what the hell I'm doing when I'm cooking. You know what I'm saying? Cause Red Bull gives me wings. So anyway, we're gonna put this in here real quick, and we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna see what we're gonna do next.
Right now I'm working on the second tray, so I'm just gonna pour a little olive oil. It's just a little experiment. We're gonna see. Just dab it real quick. See, just dab it real quick. Nothing too exotic. Go ahead, grab some of this lemon pepper. Just sprinkle some real quick. Get it all up in there. Sprinkle some of that, dab it in there. Go ahead, slide that back in the tray. I got that set for 400 on the chicken study. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how this turns out a little bit. Hopefully it comes out tasting just the way I expect it to taste.
Alright, so it's counting down a little bit more right now. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take everything out, I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip them. Alright, right now I'm just turning the chicken around. And we're gonna move on to doing the process all over again.
Dab it again. Dab. Sprinkle some more. Bang.
Repeat the steps on the second tray that I had from the bottom here.
Slide it back into the tray.
And while we wait to do all that, we're gonna go outside real quick and look at the sun. And while we wait for the chicken to cook, we just hang out here in the back. Jump in the gravity chair real quick. And chill out and wait. These two guys just kicked the football over the garage. So now they have to go get it.
14 minutes, still cooking. Looking right. I'm gonna do it real quick since the top is getting a little bit hotter than the bottom because the aluminum foil is probably blocking the airflow. I'm gonna go ahead and swap the top tray and the bottom tray. Alright, let's switch the trays, top and bottom real quick. Let it cook out a little bit. Alright, looks like we're finished up right now. And we're gonna check out this chicken, see how it came out.
Alright, take it out.
I'm gonna get health insurance. That's my main thing. Like, I ain't gonna pay. I'm supplemental income.
And that's how you cook this chicken in the air fryer during the coronavirus. So, I hope y'all learned something on my little cooking channel. How to cook with the Power Air Fryer during the coronavirus. I'll be making more videos as we go on. And tune in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the thumbs up button.